All right, so we now have 1,156 miles. Again, that's 1156. And kaboom, our third check engine light. This just happened. It's Sunday at 5 p.m. and we just got a check engine light. We're planning to take this for our Thanksgiving trip. This is getting annoying. So that makes the third one. I don't have all the numbers in front of me, but the first one was maybe 300 miles. The second one was right around 640 or something like that, if I remember right. And number 3 is at 1156. So here we go again. I'll keep you informed. We'll see what it is. Hopefully they can take care of us on the service drive again. So frustrating. I can't believe nobody else is having this problem. Maybe we just got a dud. I don't know. But nobody else is saying they've got check engine lights like every 4 or 5 days. Anyhow, we'll keep you informed.